बैक टू बोल बसंती पॉडकास्ट सीजन 3 और आज मेरे साथ है जो गेस्ट वो काफी यंग है बट काफी ब्राइट है. शी इज अ होलिस्टिक हेल्थ कोच एंड डाइटिशियन, Vaishnavi Avancha. And today we are going to explore nutritionist, dietitian, holistic health coach. ये सब क्या होता है? What all does it mean? What all does it entails? और क्या डिफरेंस है एक न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट और डाइटिशियन में, होलिस्टिक हेल्थ कोच में वो क्या होता है? So we'll explore all of that. Hi Vaishnavi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I am amazing. Amazing is that how I like to say it. So Vaishnavi, I was under the impression when I said ki Dr. Vaishnavi and you said no, you're a dietitian. So एक डाइटिशियन और न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट के बीच में क्या डिफरेंस होता है? What is the difference between the two?
So when we say dietitian, it means that we are telling you on how to eat, what to eat. It revolves around suggesting expertise that way. But when you come to as a nutritionist, these are the people who are mostly in the labs. They help in evaluation of nutrients and that kind of stuff.
Okay.
So yeah, here dietitian is recommending you the diet and see both can do each other's job. There is nothing like nutritionist cannot be a dietitian or vice versa. But the only thing is dietitians don't go into the deeper. अभी न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट मुझे वैल्यू देगी तो मैं वो देख के बोल दूंगी कि भाई इसमें इतना है तो ये ले ले, राइट? बट आई कैन नॉट टेल यू कि इसमें कितना है. आई कैन नॉट evaluate it. But nutritionist is like in the labs, they're evaluating things, they're giving you nutritional
values. They'll give you the entire scale पे आप कहाँ पर हो and accordingly.
नहीं, they are with product development.
In
short, product development. अब all of these products we get बाहर जो भी you're getting these cookies, whatever food products, they are all उसका जो पीछे if you read the food labels, you have the values. ना वो सब nutritionist is giving you. Okay. So they don't have the touch of physiology. Much. They don't go deeper into physiology and stuff. Whereas a dietitian, we don't go deeper into the labs. हमें पता है कैसे होता है, कभी करते नहीं है इतना नहीं करते जितना वो लोग करते. We know the values are like this, and we will tell you that according to the physiology आप इसका ऐसे include करो.
Okay, and how can you make sure कि आपके ये levels maintain किए जा सके या ये levels कम कैसे कर सकते हैं?
Yeah. Okay. So medically, if you want to go, then you have to go to a dietitian. But again, वो ये ना कि usage of the title is like they call you nutritionist/dietitian. So the differentiation थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है, but technically nutritionist is more of product development, creation, that supplement creation, those all things. Dietitian is advising like a doctor, pharmacist or doctor.
Okay. So now you guys know the difference between nutritionist and dietitian. That's a revelation to me because I thought a nutrition dietitian is the same thing. So अलग terms क्यों use करते हैं? And I'm glad that I asked that question. Now you also mentioned that you're a holistic health coach.
Yeah.
So holistic obviously हम ये समझते हैं कि entails everything. So what all comes into being a health coach? मतलब how is it different from a dietitian or how it contributes being a dietitian?
A health coach is a person who will guide you. I won't say anybody, but anybody in the health field, whatever degree they have related to the health field, like allied sciences, anybody can become a health coach because a health coach is a person who will guide. For example, I got a client, so a health coach will guide him कि अभी take care of them basically. जैसे hospitals में जैसे nurse है, I don't know if I can actually tell you, but it's a kind of example कि जैसे nurse हमारा सब देखती है, experts are coming, they're giving the advice. Nurse is saying कि सब कुछ हो रहा है कि नहीं. Now health coach is also something like that. I am the person dealing with the clients and I am the person like the POC, point of contact for everything. कुछ भी problem हो रहा है, I am the person they come to.
As a health coach.
As a health coach. They come to me, then I will see relatively किसके पास जाना है with that problem.
So then as a health coach, you can suggest कि अगर आपका ये issue है, you should go a dietitian है या आपको किसी particular doctor, specific doctor के पास जाना है. Okay.
And I can see, I can read their reports. Majorly, अब कैसा रहता है, clients share you the reports and they like बोलो. And doctors are very busy. उनका 10 चीजें होता है. So for that, whenever they share the reports, I'll see, I'll tell कि this is the summary. I'll schedule this with the doctor. This is the summary. Let me take you to your diet expert. So yeah, this is something like that.
Wow.
Basically, I deal with their all aspects and diet. I'm the diet expert, so I also take the diet. Yeah.
That is quite something, because अक्सर ऐसा होता है in today's day and age, when you have social media and so much of misinformation, there are so many people who get confused. और कुछ लोग क्योंकि अपने घर पे ठीक है, there's nothing wrong, आपने भी कहीं से गूगल से देख के कहीं कुछ पढ़ के people start doing something and they start their Insta handle और कि ये फिटनेस करना चाहिए and they become literally like वो आपके इन हाउस डाइटिशियन बन जाता है, अरे उसने ये खा के वो किया था, not realizing everybody's anatomy and physiology is different.
Yeah.
And having said that, they don't have that knowledge. There are specific people जो पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, जो डॉक्टर्स हैं या जिन्होंने स्टडी कर रखी है. There are so many people who go to gyms And most of them are not certified trainers. And if they are certified trainers, they don't have knowledge about diet and nutrition, but they will be giving you charts and all, not realizing लोगों को पता भी नहीं होता कि वो same diet वो हर किसी को copy paste कर रहे होते हैं.
And see, before I have joined and while I was doing my MSc, I'm a gym enthusiast, so I would go do workouts and all. So तब I used to see the trainers. Honestly, मैं बहुत मोटी रहती थी तब, double the size I'm now. And I used to go because mental health, like that,
effects.
and all, everything I used to love doing sport activities and all. तब the trainer used to tell कि बेटा तो क्या करी, they have one set of step की protein through soup. Again, they might not be wrong because उनको भी वही बताया गया है, and they are seeing those results कि they are giving the boys and वो लोग protein through से उनको muscle the immediate result दिख जा रहे हैं.
But long lasting तो नहीं है वो.
Exactly.
Male और female body different है, our hormones are different, our body functions differently.
And a lot of other things, even if you're just seeing it in the males, the way the protein, there are people who come and ask you कि मैं protein ठूस भी रहा हूँ, फिर भी मुझे नहीं आ रहा, because मैं ठूस रही तो ठीक से ठूस रहे, not at the right time. And this is, I don't know, like, मैं कितना हंसी आता है कि pre-workout में they take protein powder. Pre-workout should never be a protein rich thing. It should always be a carb rich.
Yes.
तो हाँ, fruit ले लो.
Fruit, yeah.
नहीं, they will not agree. They'll be like, I want citrulline, I want arginine.
I don't know what these are
terms.
things.
Oh, they're all pre-workout supplements. They are nothing but simple protein molecules.
Synthetic protein. They're not even like natural sources.
They are not, first of all, they are not natural. दूसरी चीज़ है वो synthetic भी है, and it's like, they are such kind of elements that will help blood circulation quick कर देता है. So when you're doing a pre-workout, the blood flow should be good so that your muscle can uptake the glucose and do the work for you. So that, but नहीं चाहिए. उतना करने की क्या जरूरत है? You are not going to any bodybuilding competition that you have to do, and you have to just get a body, aesthetic body, and you will get it. Fruit लो, beetroot juice लो. Beetroot juice is such a underrated pre-workout. It is very rich in nitric oxide. Again, it mimics whatever arginine and all does, and helps so good. And many of my clients have tried it and I have seen the results. So I'm so confidently telling कि beetroot juice पियो as a pre-workout along with some almonds or fruit.
Some dry fruits, or maybe like a banana or something. I think one banana is good enough for a 1 hour workout.
And do the workout. You will last for more than an hour. Definitely you'll last.
That's my personal experience.
Yeah. So they are natural. Your body can take it. None of your organs are struggling to, metabolize it.
That is true.
When it is synthetic, your body will definitely struggle to metabolize it because there are some unknown foreign components coming. And this will lead to inflammation of the body.
No wonder, because most of the people who I have known and seen taking these synthetic powders, I have seen that they have a lot of bloating and gut issues.
Hoga. And I also want to tell about this ki the NIN, National Institute of Nutrition, they release every year, they release a short book, and kabhi bhi koi amendments bhi hai to wo bhi release karte hain. And honestly, you need not go to any expert if you don't want to, because understandable, few people don't want to spend that kind of amount. They think doctor ke paas hi chale jaunga, doctor nahi dega wo wala diet. I can confidently tell you, the diet your dietitian will give you, the doctor will not give you the same, because dietitian has spent her minimum to 3 to 5 years in the same how a food works on your body. Doctor has spent not more than 3 to 6 months. एक semester पढ़ लिया होगा, but a dietitian has spent around 5 years. So definitely weightage उधर ही जाता है. फिर भी नहीं करना है, मत करो. Go to that short book, read it very simple.
NIN का.
हाँ, NIN का वो
you can find it online.
हाँ, go to their website. उसमें you will get education case में you will get the books. उसमें आप पढ़ो, very simply written, very clearly written कि how you can. उसमें tables भी दिए हुए हैं. It is very simple. If you are an educated person and instead of going to some online person and thinking इसने बोल दिया मैं कर दूंगा, go to that book. Take out that time, go to that book, read. They give you tables, how much you require if you're a sedentary person. Who comes under a sedentary person? People sitting job है, 9 to 5 job है, sitting job है.
Not too much of physical activity.
Gym में जाते हो फिर भी you will come under sedentary. I'm telling you, 1 hour of workout फिर भी you will come under sedentary.
The rest of the day if you're sitting वो 1 hour will obviously compensate.
You will come under moderate only when you do around 3 to 5. Like there are people who go to 3.5 hours of gymming, that kind, or long hours of sports activities. वाला काम हो तो. But majority, 90% of us come under sedentary. जाके देखो, they have clearly told you कि how much of what, how many grams of what you have to take to meet the requirement. खेल खत्म. इसके उसके ऊपर के साथ घूमने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. Honestly speaking.
Wow. So guys, now you know कि don't go for any misinformation, and even if the person is giving you right information, you rather go to people who are meant for that, who are researching day and night about it and doing the changes as and when required. Please go, as she very rightly said, NIN, National
Yeah.
Institute of Nutrition, on right?
Yeah, yeah.
National Institute of Nutrition online. You have everything there. You don't need to spend money. She saved your money.
Yeah, but again, though I saved their money, they would need an expert
Of
because
course.
yeah, body type जानना है, lose करना है. Again, yeah,
आपकी requirement बता देंगे, but obviously they can't tell you what exactly diet, because there are times when we need a certain diet to probably combat some sort of problems that we are having, some health issues that we are having. अब requirement उन्होंने बता दी, but अगर आपकी body type अलग है, अगर आपको gain weight करना है, या आप if you're on the heavier side, whatever your goal is, उसके लिए obviously you need an expert, a personalized experience, and you have to have a personalized consultation with the person. So which of course Vaishnavi is obviously there to help us. अभी जितना हम लोग कैप्चर कर सकते हैं, बाकी तो आपकी हेल्थ है, आपके हाथ में है, whether you make it or break it. You want to have a healthy, happy life or unhealthy, unhappy life. So there are certain things which are very common these days. Obviously, obesity, right?
Yeah.
Obesity is like an invitation to many other ailments and illnesses in your body.
Totally.
So how does that happen? Like एक obesity, मतलब obviously थोड़ा बहुत मुझे पता है, but if you can give us some details into it, because obesity somewhere also reflects upon ki how good is your gut or how bad your gut is, right?
Exactly.
Then obesity कई बार होता है कि डायबिटीज की वजह से obesity हो जाता है, कभी obesity की वजह से डायबिटीज हो जाता है. I have seen those cases also, and many other things. उसके बाद I know people who get diabetes and obese, तो उनका gut issues तो होंगे. At the same time उनको thyroid भी हो जाएगा. मतलब it's like कुछ तो चीजें होंगी, ब्लड प्रेशर इश्यूज होंगे. So ये तो ऐसा, मतलब 3-4 चीजें ऐसे कि ओबेसिटी अपने साथ ऐसे गिफ्ट रैप करके लेकर आती है कि रिटर्न गिफ्ट नहीं है, ये साथ में मिलेगा कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. मैं आई, अभी सब
Return gift
आएगा.
are the medicines maybe.
हाँ?
Return gift are the medicines.
हाँ, रिटर्न गिफ्ट तो मेडिसिन दो मेरे को ठीक होने के लिए. एंड दैट इज अ लॉट, बिकॉज आपकी बॉडी के लिए टू डील विद ऑल ऑफ दिस, रूट कॉज ओबेसिटी हो सकता है, बट देन हाउ डू यू, लाइक इफ लेट्स से इफ यू कम अक्रॉस अ पेशेंट हु इज ओबेस, then there's diabetes. And correct me if I'm wrong, most of the diabetic people that I have come across, they generally have some joint and bone issues, या pain भी होने लगता है. कुछ लोग ये बोलते हैं कि जैसे जैसे बढ़ता है and it gets worse. I don't know how do you say it in Hindi or English, but like the bones start kind of thinning or calcification, कुछ तो ऐसा होने लगता है. So one thing leads to so many things. So let's say, I'm sure you would have had issues, like your patients with such issues कि एक साथ इतनी सारी हैं. So how do you figure out a solution? क्योंकि ये एक चीज है, but there are so many things कि बॉडी के लिए भी डिफिकल्ट है एक टाइम पे इतनी सारी चीजों पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना. So then how do you maneuver around it, and what do you suggest कि अगर what is your line of treatment for them?
So basically, like you told, obesity या फिर उसके वजह से obesity. Basically, all these are lifestyle disorders. In short, PCOS low, thyroid low, diabetes low, all of these are lifestyle disorders. अभी what happens? एक आता है तो दूसरे सारे होते हैं. Obviously, ना, first of all, your obesity. ये सब चीज revolve around insulin resistance. Okay, what happens? You are eating. समझो you are eating some food. उससे your body is processing that food and glucose निकल रहा है. But अभी क्या हो रहा है? So उसको digest करने के लिए pancreas is releasing your insulin. But अभी यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Your body won't uptake that insulin. अब वो glucose, हाँ, वो इंसुलिन को यूटिलाइज नहीं करेगा. इंसुलिन बेसिकली हेल्प्स विद अपटेकिंग ऑफ ग्लूकोज. द हार्मोन फंक्शन इज दैट कि वो रिलीज होते ही ग्लूकोज सेल के अंदर जाते हैं एंड सेल यूटिलाइजेस इट और स्टोर्स इट. अब इसके साथ प्रॉब्लम है तो सब चक्कर चलता है. कभी वो लो भी होता है, कभी हाई भी हो जाता है, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द फूड इनटेक. व्हेन यू सेड इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस, ओके, तो बेसिकली ये है कि आपकी बॉडी इंसुलिन या तो अपटेक नहीं कर पा रही है या तो उतनी अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं है. देयर कैन बी 2 रीजंस कि पैनक्रियाज या तो बना रहे हैं लेकिन बॉडी का नहीं ले पा रही है, या तो पैनक्रियाज नहीं बना रहे इस वजह से अपटेक नहीं ले पा रहे. एंड इन बोथ द केसेस, अगर पैनक्रियाज नहीं बना रहा है, दैट मींस वो लो की तरफ आपका शुगर रहेगा. whereas यहाँ पर पैनक्रियास बना रहा है बट बिकॉज एक्स्ट्रा हो जा रहा है, बिकॉज बॉडी इज नॉट एबल टू अपटेक इट, तो आपका शुगर लेवल वो हाई दिखाएगा टेस्ट. ओके, मोस्टली पीपल जो ओबीस होंगे, दे विल ऑलवेज हैव डायबिटीज, साइड में उनके आती है. थायराइड भी कहीं ना कहीं फॉलो अप हो जाता है, और इस वजह से ब्लड प्रेशर के भी इश्यूज, हाई ब्लड प्रेशर, लो ब्लड प्रेशर, व्हाटएवर, वो इश्यूज हो जाते हैं. सो व्हेन अ पेशेंट लाइक दैट कम्स टू यू, व्हाट इज योर लाइन ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट? लाइक टेक्निकली आपके लिए 4 प्रॉब्लम्स हैं एक इंसान में. सो देन हाउ विल यू, ऑब्वियसली टेस्ट रिपोर्ट्स होंगे, सारी चीजें होंगी, बट हाउ वुड यू probably go ahead with the treatment, or rather like suggesting the diet, let's put it that way. What is your how will you get into the diet zone? Like said कि ये सब हो रहा है क्योंकि इनका लाइफस्टाइल का है. What we do is when we take the history, we are trying to pinpoint कि कहाँ से ट्रिगर हुआ है. Okay, even if a person is obese, not everyone will eat इतना and only because of food नहीं होता है. There are 100 of factors जिसकी वजह से they are becoming gaining weight which is leading to diabetes because once you are gaining weight there is insulin resistance coming up उसके वजह से अभी ये sugar blood glucose में glucose is roaming free in the blood because of which you will see diabetes फिर यही inflammation और stress के वजह से maybe it will either turn into thyroid or uric acid problems or PCOS in females, this kind of journey, it happens. So end of the day, we have to just find out what is the root cause. First of all, lifestyle में क्या ऐसा चीज है which is triggering it. दूसरा like I told you, insulin resistance को मैं थोड़ा बहुत ठीक करूंगी तो बहुत सारे physiological, metabolical activities जो भी है वो ठीक हो ही जाएंगे.
Including your gut.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. That is what what triggers insulin resistance is that you're giving it high amount of processed foods, high amount of sugars. So they will gut health सब चीज को it will impact. So if you're cutting down those things, half of the job is done. So when I'm doing this, when it is insulin resistance, what I do, glycemic index low foods I include, and also mostly diabetic or obesity का जो भी treatment रहता है, it is on the same line.
Okay.
It is not that there is no much difference
as far as the diet is concerned.
Diet is concerned. And then slowly we will see when it is a thyroid, I know that I should include some more anti-inflammatory foods. And there are some inflammatory foods for thyroid people that we should not give. So those kind of guidelines we follow and we deal it.
Okay. So when you say anti-inflammatory or inflammatory, so inflammation as in body में कुछ swelling आती है, कुछ feeling होती है, मतलब कैसे? Inflammation for a lot many people, they kind of get confused.
So there are many ways that we can, there are many symptoms that can tell if you have inflammation or not. To explain inflammation, अभी आपको कुछ चोट लगी है, तो sometimes you see कुछ होता नहीं, बस मतलब sprain like you say, then you just see swelling, but actually कुछ हो ही नहीं जाता है, right? But you can see it on the outer side. So many people think inflammation is the swelling, okay, but अंदर भी होता है जो दिखता नहीं है. And how do you see it kind of manifests like you are always fatigued. आपको हमेशा how much you're always tired. There are some kind of pains in the body. Okay, there is some kind of burning sensation. It varies to different people. And there is something, though you're getting treated to it, वो मतलब वो ठीक नहीं हो रहा है, होता है फिर से आता है. So some triggering point is there, वो inflammation की वजह से होता है. That kind of thing.
So then when since obviously symptoms हर body के अलग अलग होंगे, but these are like common symptoms so that you know कि हाँ inflammation है, but sometimes it can be some allergic reaction also. For which obviously the dietitian is there. तो ये inflammation किस food से हो रहा है? Do you take a food allergy test or it's just the test that उनका thyroid है उससे या diabetes उससे आप बता देते हो कि हाँ okay these are the foods that you should be eating, these are the foods that you should be avoiding.
So it depends again on the concern. So if you're coming to me with a gut health problem, gut health में भी there are a lot of variations. एक को सिर्फ acidity हो रही है, एक को सिर्फ bloating हो रहा है, एक को सब चीज हो रहा है, right? So उधर we have to see triggering foods. What is triggering their acidity? So again, there are specific foods for everyone, but in general, there are some inflammatory foods. So we consider gluten, dairy products, and non-veg as inflammatory foods. Doesn't mean they're bad to your health. It's just that they can cause inflammation in the body when taken for a longer time or taken in over amounts, something like that. Especially when your body is under inflammation and you're overloading your body with these kind of things, you will suffer more. So at that time, what we do, we give them anti-inflammatory diet. जिसमें we ये हटाते हैं. We remove these food groups. We give them more of berries, all these, teas like chamomile, herb, hibiscus. Okay, all of these, and all of the antioxidant foods, basically good amount of fiber foods and millets like that. So, which will slowly decrease the inflammation.
एक चीज I'm pretty sure you might have faced जैसे कि आपने पेशेंट को बता दिया ये खाना है and they see the difference. But many of the times they're not disciplined about it.
Yeah.
And then there's a recall every time happening या फिर अरे आपने तो बोला था, but they will never tell कि we हमारा discipline हमने खराब किया या हम थोड़ा सा लूज हो गए उस चीज को लेकर. So I'm pretty sure when you are telling all this diet, काफी बार पेशेंट्स होते हैं अरे ये तो नहीं होगा मैम या ये नहीं, अब आप कुछ और बोल दीजिए. So then it's like counseling that you have to do like a full mental rewiring of this. So how do you do that? Like I mean, I'm sure you're a doctor, but then at the same time, some patients are just ziddi, plain ziddi, वो नहीं सुनेंगे.
Yeah.
So then how do you deal?
I think being a health coach, I think that's where I've learned it very well. कि बात करना उनसे, what I do is I talk to them and one way is I give them short goals and treats, something like that. तो
short goals and treats.
हाँ, वो goal achieve करते हैं मैं उनको treat देती हूँ.
Treat क्या होती है?
Treat क्या होती है? For example, I ask him to go on a no sugar detox diet. I make it very clear. पहले तो when they come, I tell them कि ये चीजें खा रहे हो, ये चीजें यहाँ पे यूज करते हैं, बॉडी में नहीं. Okay, and then yeah, I told one of my clients, couple, they've come and they said we like carbonated beverages, cold drinks and all. में हमें बहुत पसंद है. And they said एक बार bathroom धो के देखो. They literally stared at me for 5 seconds and they were like, why? Then I said, देखो, the stain it removes, how acidic it is. Okay, now understand what it is doing to your gut. Now come back to me. Should you avoid it or not? Now you tell me.
Exactly.
Now you tell me how it is. Like, is it okay now? Because वो तो इतना अच्छे से क्लीन करता है ना, मतलब समझो
थोड़ा बॉडी का भी सत्यानाश कर रहा है.
सत्यानाश करेगा ही करेगा.
हाँ.
For a while there was no expression on their face and I thought यार मैंने कुछ बहुत ही ऐसा बोल दिया क्या. But what a lot of change in them. What a lot of change in them. Now they don't touch. They themselves tell कि नहीं अभी बाथरूम में धो रहे हैं.
सस्ता फिनाइल है.
So few things are like that. So few things you have to show them the reality. Few patients जिनको बहुत जिद्दी होते हैं. And actually it comes from the mentality, you know. Because हम लोग सोचते हैं कि hustling, partying, मतलब when I meet a lot of people, they say, oh you don't go clubbing, oh you don't go out and eat, oh you don't eat pizza, you don't eat burger, oh such a boring person you are. बस healthy ही खाना है.
Oh हाँ.
Healthy.
बीच में there was a time when having a good healthy lifestyle, choosing to sleep on time is like, oh my gosh, yeah, such a. मुझे मतलब ऐसे तुम तो वक्त से पहले ही बूढ़ी हो चुकी हो, ये बहुत healthy रहना पसंद करती है. I said, if I'm taking care of myself, what's wrong in that? और अब तो ये fashion हो गया तो लोग follow करने वो अलग बात है.
But it's no. Hustling is, I won't say hustling is not good, but hustling at the cost of your routine, at the cost of your sleep. It will not give you anything. 2 साल hustle करो, 4 साल medicines लेते रहो, bed पे सोते रहो. You learn it the hard way how much routine impacts you. Gluten intolerance. Either, I mean, I don't know if like again कि I feel that Indians especially हमको allergy नहीं रह सकता. Because very rare. I won't say रह ही नहीं सकता, but very rare. Because बचपन से like from ancestral times, we are habituated to eating dairy products.
Our systems are like that.
Our systems are there. Our genes knows how to, digest, metabolize and assimilate the nutrients. हाँ, intolerance हो सकता है क्योंकि जो बाद में हम जो ये कर रहे हैं ना बहुत सारे different सारे चीजें, the combinations also,
and the quality is also gone bad. अब तो आप whole wheat आटा बोल के वो लोग आपको मैदा मिक्स करके आटा पैकेट्स में दे रहे हैं. Forget restaurants में क्या करें, पैकेट्स में वही आ रहा है. So of course the quality of तब का खाना, adulteration. Oh my god, that is so another topic altogether. You have good and bad patients. Mostly you will have those little difficult patients क्योंकि as much as they are concerned about their health, they don't want to leave the thing that the doctor or the dietitian is advising them to. After all of that is done in your day, what do you do to unwind yourself, take a break from all of that? Because कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा बहुत मेंटल स्ट्रेस ये भी हो जाता है. बहुत काउंसलिंग करते और एक ही वो ग्रुप में अलग अलग खाने के बारे में लोगों को वही समझाना जो उनको ऑलरेडी पता होगा. मैं बोलते ही थक जा रही हूँ सोचते मतलब, and here you're dealing with all of that. So what do you do to unwind yourself and just take a break from that so that next day के लिए again you can charge up yourself and say कि चलो भाई now again another drill, let's go for the drill.
Yeah, I am a big movie junkie. I keep watching movies and it's ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे मतलब only the top movies. I open the anything OTT में जो भी मुझे दिखता है इसी, regardless it is boring and I find boring films से भी उठा ही सकते हैं कोई ना कोई inspiration. I feel like that something I pick things from movies.
By the way, I also have to touch upon something else. You have recently gained interest in bike riding. So you ride bikes or you like the back passenger abhi right now?
And I do both. So abhi very recently hai, I have a scooty, 2-wheeler and I ride it very well. बहुत पहले से. So like Ladakh, the bike riding thing, 10th में सीख लिया उसके बारे में, बहुत पढ़ लिया. तब से है कि I will do it. And the thing is मेरे घर में कभी बाइक नहीं है. My brother स्कूटर था, स्कूटी है, बाइक कभी नहीं था. भैया also never took it because we both can use one vehicle, that kind of thing. But after coming to office, I had very good colleagues. They taught me. Only problem is मैं बहुत छोटी हूँ तो पैर नहीं होते. And Avenger is my favorite bike because matches my height.
What is that experience or that feeling that you felt and you were like, I want to experience this and I want to do bigger, longer rides?
वो तो पहले से ही था ना कि मुझे जाना नहीं लगा.
But वो feeling क्या है?
बहुत अच्छा रहता है because see, you are seeing about it from so many years and the sound when you rev it, I can't tell you.
That is a true rider.
When the sound आता है, it is very music to your ears. So I was so happy. I can't tell you how happy I was.
I can see the glow on your face. ऐसे पूरा आंखें पूरी चमक गई और आंखें वो एकदम हो गई. And the moment you said, that's why I said, what is that emotion? When you said, मैंने कहा बस, she is a true rider, because that is what I have heard from every rider friend of mine. That sounds is music to their ears, and they're like, once you're used to this, वो जो आपको feeling उसकी आती है, वो गाड़ी में नहीं आ सकती.
But once you get that, no, I will drive. You have that interest. You cannot. You won't trust the other person. It's not even about trust. देने का मन भी नहीं करता.
So maybe I think that's liberating for you in a way.
हाँ.
मतलब you feel free. You feel like
alive.
हाँ, alive. So Vaishnavi, we dealt with a lot of things, your professional and personal life, and the adventures that you're going to embark in the future. Now, having said that, now we're at the last leg of the episode. So anything that you would like to say to the audience in the capacity of a dietitian is something that you would like them to at least कुछ तो मतलब you know, any pointers that you feel are the main pointers कि at least take care of this. For rest, you know, the experts are there and you should reach out to them.
Majorly, like, because I've spoken a lot about insulin resistance, I would like to tell that जो बहुत मतलब try to take as less processed food as you can. तो जैसे instant noodles बनाने का जितना time है, उसी time में you can make your उपमा. Right? This is something very overlooked. But it is just, you know, the way it is marketed, it is like उसको बनाने में बहुत कम time लगता है.
नहीं लगता 2 मिनट.
नहीं लगता.
5 मिनट भी नहीं लगता. उससे ऊपर ही लगता है.
It is same time that it takes उपमा. The only difference is आप इधर, you know, the instant noodles डाल रहा और इधर कोई रवा है या कोई सेमोलिना और कोई मिलेट का डाल रहा. That is the only difference. वो एक छोटा सा choice को change करके देखो. 80% of whatever you're mentioning, no, the thyroid, the diabetes, वो सारे चले जाएंगे. Okay, that is what I majorly wanted to tell कि वो switch करना very very small.
And once you get a habit, no, I think वो time भी आपको ऐसे लगता है आपके दिमाग में, but once you get in a habit, you realize it's the same time it's taking,
exactly,
and you feel better, you feel healthier, you feel fuller.
हाँ, and बहुत कम cravings होंगे आपके.
Sugar spikes नहीं होते.
हाँ, sugar spikes भी नहीं होते. And you know, when you're buying those processed food, like instant, जो भी, you know, there are a lot of. It's very good that they have come up with such products to save our time. But honestly, instant dosa बनाना है, take flour, mix water in it, डाल दो, फ्लोर का डोसा मिल गया.
राइस आटा नहीं है तो यार इंस्टेंट में आप बेसन तो पाउडर आपके पास है ना, उसमें पानी मिला वो बना दो, वो भी हो गया.
हाँ, so you have lot of flours. किसी के घर पे you will have बेसन है, like you told. तो there is no much difference. In fact, ये फ्लोर वाला डोसा और टेस्टी रहेगा than that जो भी instant वाला product वाला. Because वो I have tried myself. Before talking all this, I tried myself. बहुत एक स्टोन के मतलब it is very hard. It doesn't taste like it.
वो लाइट नहीं होता जो डोसा है supposed to be light है, वो नहीं होता.
नहीं होता.
Crispiness भी नहीं, उसका crispiness ऐसा लगता है कि आप मतलब I don't know, it's very chewy, crispy, weird सा बड़ा सा होता है. Because I tried instant dosa once कि चलो try करते हैं. But it cannot taste बोलो, health बोलो, किसी भी aspect से it does not matches up. Even semolina का और like रवा का उसका भी आप बना सकते हो. दही वही डाल के.
और इनो नहीं डालने का.
Oh, I so agree with that. You know, baking soda.
Baking soda. I see so many, like, because I'm a dietitian, I have to give recipes. I go on YouTube, मैं swipe कर रही हूँ, there is no one, you know, recipe जिसमें वो लोग इनो नहीं डाल रहे या फिर baking soda नहीं डाल रहे.
Exactly.
So it is not to defame. Eno is to, you know, तुम्हारा bloating कम करने के लिए. तो उस चीज के लिए use कर रही हो. That is a different topic if you should use it or not. But it is not for your food. You don't know if it is for the right, that temperature suit. It is a medicine, but use it like that. Okay, not for your recipes. So no, not every recipe needs baking soda. फुलाना है वो कर्ड भी डालो फूल जाएगा.
Exactly.
बस कर्ड बस है.
बहुत है.
Need not add extra.
टेस्ट भी आ जाता है उसका. बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
And when I'm telling healthy things and the recipes, my clients are looking at me like this. You enjoy it. I'm like, you will love it, and they love it.
हाँ.
You know, I feel the most underrated and बहुत ऐसा ये वाला vegetable is that लौकी और एक कद्दू.
हाँ. Pumpkin.
हाँ. टिंडे also.
हाँ.
I feel like if properly made, टिंडे tastes so good.
I believe कि हमारे नाना नानी के टाइम पे या दादा दादी के टाइम पे जो कुकिंग का तरीका था was far much more healthier and would retain the nutrition of the food as opposed to जो हम लोग आज जिसमें जिन चीजों में खाना बना रहे हैं.
Even you know, जैसे अभी seasonal fruits में जब अभी जैसे सीताफल का टाइम है, and my mom is diabetic, तो then I give her, I say, khalo. Then one, like it is something recently that happened that I'm sharing. So one of my other relative, abhi to diabetes, like everybody has it. So even she has it. She's my mom's sister. आके बोलती है, you are a dietitian and you're allowing your mom to eat सीताफल. I said, yeah, it is a seasonal fruit. वो इस season में आ रहा है. It has a reason. It will help her body. ठीक है, I accept she's diabetic. I only tell my mom 2 things. In fact, any diabetic person कि fruit खाना है 6 बजे से पहले खाओ.
Exactly.
Why? Because वो glucose spike भी देता है, कुछ भी
Hmm.
देता है. You will not use that energy after 6. Because I told you like I'm in a holistic this thing.
Hmm.
What I've learned here is कि हमारा जो metabolism है या फिर वो है, it works along with the sun.
Yes.
And if you see many of our habits, many of our routines are always along with the sun.
Sun. Yeah.
Right? And you have to follow that way.
Hmm.
तो खाना भी देखो 12 बजे हमको बहुत अच्छा भूख भी लगता है.
Hmm.
We eat heavy. And many of our actual, the traditions, they are so many. Maybe now they are proving them, but they were very apt.
Exactly.
We should follow
हाँ,
them.
वो एक्चुअली हिंदी में भी saying है कि सुबह का नाश्ता राजा जैसा, दिन का क्या मजदूर जैसा, बट रात का भिखारी जैसा.
भिखारी जैसा.
कि वैसा आपका होना चाहिए. By the time you're like your body is getting a resting thing, you need to eat light and
Yes.
have like 2 to 3 hours ka break before you sleep, so
Sleep,
that the
yeah.
body can assimilate and digest it. Thank you so much for coming. It was lovely for you
Thank
to
you so
just take out the time and meet or get done with your day and still come all the way for this, in spite of having such difficult patients for the day. I hope this was an unwinding session for you. You had a great time too. So guys, that was Vaishnavi for you. Next week we'll have another guest with another journey, another experience and different aspect of their personality. Till then, stay happy, stay kind and stay grateful.
Bye.